there was a boy called Max. Max lived in the desert. He was hungry and thirsty. He was tired and discouraged. The elders of the community had a meeting of the water and food supply. Something needed to be done. Dream of a magical hyena. The hyena changed Max into a bird. He sent Max on a quest to help his community. Max was flying for days. He found a cave to rest. He was tired and scared. In the cave, the magical hyena changed Max into a snake. The snake slithered into a small tunnel. On the other side, there was an oasis.
The hyena brings the community together to the oasis, where there is water. The hyena changes Max back into a boy because he completed his mission.